Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today it is me, Zamir Ahmed Shah, teacher UPS Dogiyan Pintara, Zone Chumkot, in front of you to discuss about kinds of noun. Date 16 of May 2020. Class 8th. Subject English. Topic kinds of noun. Dear students, now we will understand them one by one. Kinds of noun. As we know that there are 5 kinds of noun. Number first, common noun. इसमें आम या इसमें नकरा. नंबर 2, प्रॉपर नाउन. इसमें ख़ास या इसमें मारफा. नंबर 3, कलेक्टिव नाउन. इसमें मजमुआ. नंबर 4, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. इसमें कफ़ियत. नंबर 5, मटीरियल नाउन. इसमें एशिया या इसमें जिन्स. नंबर 1, कॉमन नाउन. ए कॉमन नाउन is a name which can be used commonly for person, animals, places or things. Or common noun is the name of common things, common place, common person, etc. Example: boy, book, river, bird, city, etc. Number 2, proper noun. A proper noun is the particular name of a common noun, or proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, things, etc. Example: Taj Mahal, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, English, etc. Number 3, collective noun. A collective noun is the name given to a collection of common noun, or collective noun is the name of collective things. These nouns are not used for single things. Example: crowd, nation, class, soldiers, etc. Number 4, material noun. A material noun is referred to a material or substance from which things are made. Example: silver, gold, wood, cotton, etc. Number 5, abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of some quality, action, feeling, or idea. Or an abstract noun is the name of some feeling, quality, or action that we cannot see, hear, and taste. Example: honest, laughter, wisdom, kindness, beauty, etc. This was all about today. Stay home, stay safe.